Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm here with the report. The data that has been used in this report is from Free Code Academy. So the data represents the sales report of each country. So let's start this report. So the report has been made by using Cognos Analytics 11.1.7 version. So we can see here we have a list here showing all the product category, subcategory, order quantity, cost, profit, and the revenue. And here we can see in which age group we can see the majority of sales are coming through. We can see the age between 35 and 64 had the almost 50% of the sales, and we have states here. So we can see here British Columbia has mostly like 99% of the sales. So let's take another country. So this report shows us the age group also. We can see here the age group between 25, 34 and 35, 64 are the most active buyers. And we can see here the sales by the states. There are lots of states. So we can see here there is and no gap between the sales. It's like all are same but in declining order. So here we can see here the which products sold the most by quantity. We can see the profit margin, which product had the most profit. So we can see here road bikes have nearly a million profit. I guess road bikes are the most profitable product subcategory product that belongs in product category, and road bikes are the most profitable product in France, which is generating almost $1 million profit. So we can see here France had an overall sales of $8 million, and we can see here they have a profit margin of 2.8 million. It's almost like 30%, maybe 30, 25. So we can see here this is the sales report of states, United States. So we can see here the all the sales coming from each of the states. California represents more than, I guess, 80% or 90% of sales. We can see here the age group, buying capacity, or the most active buyers age group. So as we scroll down here, we can see here the profit margin is almost 40%. They had a revenue of 27 million. The cost of the product was 16, almost like 90 million, and their profit were 11 million. So we can see here which product had the most profit. So we can see here is also road bike. So we can see that the road bikes are the most profitable product. That shows that each country has the most profit coming from this product. It has almost like a 50% profit margin on its price tag. So that's it. Thank you for your time, and please do check my link, Linktree link. So please do connect me in LinkedIn. Subscribe. If you want some help, please do message me on LinkedIn. And if you want any services, you can check out my Fiverr link also. Thank you.